Hello, I am Akshana and I will be talking about using the shift operators correctly in Java. So there are two types of shift operators, arithmetic and logical. Arithmetic operators basically take care of sign extension. So this is a small example to understand the difference between the two. I'll be talking about using these operators correctly. So one thing that we need to take care of is that we use these operators appropriately. For instance, this method is intended to find the number of bits in a long type of value. So it should be logically using a logical shift operator. However, instead of that, it is using an arithmetic operator. So as a result, we see that this method does not return a value and it is stuck in a loop. So logically, when we use the logical operator, we get the correct result, which is 64. That is the number of bits that are there in a long type of value. Another thing we need to take care of while using these operators is promotion. So whenever a byte p is being operated by a shift operator, it will be promoted to an int type of value. So that too with a sign extension. So this method is intended to shift this byte b by 2 bits towards the right. So this is the intended result that we expect. However, we observe that it gives an arbitrarily very large value. This happens because promotion happens with sign extension. So in order to get the intended result, we need to mask the upper bits so that we get the expected result. The third important thing that we need to take care of is truncation. Truncation is basically if we are using x, we want to shift x towards right. So in case x is an int value, we will be right shifting it by y modulo 32, and in case it is a long value, we will be actually shifting it towards right by y modulo 64. So this is truncation. So for instance, for this method unsafe 3, we are expecting to get the result. We expect to compute 2 to the power exp through this method. So when we pass a value of 38, we expect to compute 2 to the power 38. However, we will observe that the result is 64, which is definitely not 2 to the power 38. So why this happens? This happens because there is truncation. So that means we would be, since 1 is an int value, so we will be doing 38 modulo 32, which is 6, and we will be shifting 1 towards left side by 6 bit shift. So we will be getting a result of 2 to the power 6, which is 64. Similarly, we observe a similar thing when, for instance, if we want to obtain 0 after shifting -1. So we will be increasing I plus plus, and we expect to get a value of 0 after I reaches 32. So however, this won't happen as the left shift will be of 32 modulo 32, which is 0, and hence -1 left shifted by 32 will remain to be -1, and we will never obtain a 0. And this will this will be stuck in the while loop itself. Looping. So it is necessary to use these shift operators appropriately in Java.